Hello and welcome to Kitty Science. So, today we'll be making slime. And it's not fun to do experiments all by yourself. So I'll need help with my lab partner, Eric. Okay, so first we'll be needing some cornstarch. And then you need food coloring. And then you'll be needing 2 cups, 1 bowl, and 1 spoon. Let's begin. This is crazy science. Kitty science? Kitty science. Okay, so first So first you need to take out your bowl, and then you need to put some cornstarch in the cup. Well, science gets messy. Oh my god. So, and now you will need to put it and pour it into a bowl, and then slowly add some water. I like the water. So water slowly and stirring all the time. So you add a little bit of water all the time, just a tiny bit, while I mix. Stop. And keep on doing that until it gets into like some kind of slime. Okay, do it again. Okay, good. Ooh. Okay, stop. It's not much fun. And then keep adding more slowly. Too much water. If you have too much water like we do, so it's all liquid and it's not like gooey, then just add more cornstarch. Don't restart. Get it all gooey. Like evil gooey plan. Oh, it's both the wrong. And an evil gooey. Our evil gooey plan. Can somebody get another spoon? Can you get another spoon? We need 2 spoons. Water. Don't worry. No, do we need some more water? Yeah. There. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's kind of. Maybe a tiny bit. Yeah. How come it gets so hard? Okay, wait. Move your hand. Good. It's starting to become gooey. Oh, you got it all. Oh yeah, it looks so yummy. Look how yummy. Ow! It touched my hand. Look how yummy it looks like. Come on. Look at the yum. Is this like solid? Wait. When you punch it, it's solid. And then you take it. Yeah, solid and working liquid.
I'm confused.
Stop.
It's solid
sticky.
when you punch it,
It's
and then
sticky.
it's liquid.
It's sticky.
Okay.
It's so sticky.
Okay. So okay, put it back in, and scrape it off the bowl.
Hey, our spoons
Okay,
are
there.
stuck.
And then now, which colored food color would you like?
Green.
Green?
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense. It's like slime. Now you add a bit of food coloring just to,
Like 2 or
if you
1
want
drop.
to.
2 or 1 drop. Let's put in 2. Yeah, 2 drops of food coloring. Now mix it.
No, wait. Add it. Camera too
Mix
good.
it. Mix it. It's shaping to little eyeballs. It's going to be a happy slime. It's going to be a happy slime that will activate into Minecraft. Let's mix. Oh, it's looking cool. Yeah, you guys, look, it's already mixed up too much. Oh yeah. Right now it's like water.
Again.
I think we need it.
Okay. Now we're gonna put our hand in it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's so good. Oh no,
Why didn't we just mix it? Oh, squeeze. Ew, it's so sticky.
oh, sticky. High five. High five. Go high five, Lapfinder.
Ew. So for extra, you can try making a ball out of it while adding cornstarch, and then here's a question: see if it bounces.
Yes, see if
Can
it
try-
bounces. Yes.
It's
Now
just
let's add
so
some more
sticky.
corn. Make sure it doesn't go on your skin or else you'll look like a zombie
It-
or Hulk.
Just saying, it might leave a stain on your skin.
Yeah, or you'll look like Hulk
I recommend
or
you wear
zombie.
evil gloves.
Yeah. Or else if you don't, you'll look like Hulk or zombie. Or zombie. Now let's add some more of that.
Okay, now here, you add some cornstarch. Oh wait, it's starting to stain. Eric, don't! Ew, you put it on me. Okay, Eric, stop. Okay, but yeah, I don't know.
I think you should.
Why be? I'll make the ball.
Somebody put that in.
Helper, extra helper, can you help
you
me? Can you
some
put
of
some
that?
cornstarch so we can make a ball?
Yep. Yeah, sorry, because this is probably going to be a long video.
Okay.
It might be as long as a movie.
Move your hands.
Put it in mine. Put it in mine. Oh, I can already make a ball. Got a ball. Got a ball.
I almost did. Oh god.
I got the ball.
It's like turning into like.
Let's see if this. No.
Oh my.
Yes.
Here's almost my ball.
I got it. I got it.
I got my ball.
I
Okay,
can't make
are
it
you ready?
this size.
Let's see. Bless you if it bounces. Okay, are you ready? 3,
I can't do it.
2. Wait. Write in the comments if you think it'll bounce. So pause this video.
Yep.
If you think it'll bounce.
Yeah.
Okay. 3,
Leave it in the comments.
1.
Go.
Yeah.
Do you think?
I thought I could use you as a bouncy ball. But you're like a rock.
Yeah.
You died.
But
Ew, it's leaving stains all over the table.
Yes.
Ew.
Now this is pretty fun. Next one, we're going to show you how to make
Look,
a
so
smoothie,
it's-
yum yum smoothie.
It's solid. It's liquid when you do that,
Yep.
and then it's solid when you squeeze it.
Yes.
How does it stay?
Now we can keep that little ball.
Yeah, let's keep it for memory.
Yeah, and you can try this at home. But it
Try
gets
this at home,
messy.
but it gets
Science-
messy. See, look at
Science
this.
is
messy.
It feels soft when I leave the snake.
Oh yes, I got stained.
See it? Look how messy it'll turn out. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird.
Yeah.
It feels so like soft.
Yeah.
Make sure to leave a little bit on your arm and then feel how this, because I don't know.
It feels like a mattress again. Wait, don't take it.
It feels so good.
Ew.
I want a green
It
snake
cracked
that
in
looks like
half.
a phone. Oh, this is
cracked
stuck on the table.
No! It cracked in half. Da da da.
These are stuck on the table. Now let's try bouncing it off the tiny one.
Yeah, after a while it'll break.
Yeah. Have good luck, subscribe,
Okay.
and subscribe
So-
and tell us, do a hashtag
So-
Dax to do a good job.
Subscribe next time if you want us to make a smoothie. A science smoothie. Yeah, it's edible.
Yes.
So,
Bye bye. I'm going to make it probably today. Bye bye.
now we're gonna punch with glove on.
In your face.
And now we're gonna do this. Oh yeah.
The bare hand.
Da, 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 da.
3. It's so hard.
Yeah.
It's hard. Oh. Yeah. My hands are. I got a zombie hand. I bet all.
And on your hand.
It's the same.
It's when, like, let's say you spilt soup on your shirt, it'll stay there. Like, it'll leave a stain.
Forever?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah. I got you kill zombies.
Yeah, then when you grow up, you're gonna be in front of your girlfriend like, hello, hello.
Maybe I want to stop.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah, look at my hand. I think the red was. Okay, see? Wait, I'll try. Oh, it's like bed yet. Bye bye. Oh, so you're ready to see how to make my goggles
later.
next video when we're going to make the other thing.
Or do you want to do it right now?
Yeah, how about
Like in the
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Wait, look at this. Oh. Eric is falling on the floor. Okay, wait. Look at this. Look at this wonderful tool.
Yes, my hand looks beautiful. Oh, I see the left the stain. When it hurts, does that mean saving the stain?
When I take it, it's solid. But when I squeeze it, it becomes a liquid. Exact. And if there are these guys who put it in a pool, and then when they ran on it, it was solid. But when they stood there, it became liquid. And they drowned in it.
And look at this. And look at my stains I got. Some at the side. Got lots of stains. Make sure if you get it all around your body, just spill it all on you. You'll look like a zombie if you don't wash it.
Я выложу.
What?
Выложу.
Открывай.
Where is it?
В машине.
Круг открывай.
Я тебе сказал, я принесу. Эрик, как ты? Когда у меня время будет и желание? Я...
Okay, when you just keep on rolling the ball, it stays solid. But when you just let it go, it becomes a liquid. Look at it in there. It's ready.